Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Daniela from Katseye with this monster high outfit and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color them black and then put on these eyelashes. You're going to make it black and then you're going to choose toggle 9 and this necklace, make it this color and then this one as well. And then you can make it this color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this jacket. For the jacket, I'm going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection, I'm going to make it purple, and for the third selection, make it black, and then the last selection, make it black. All right, and then I'm going to combine it with the sleeves. Okay, choose the sleeves only and then you're going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this boot. Okay, you can make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and I'm going to move to the next area. You're going to put on this jeans and then you're going to add pocket and then you're going to make it this color. All right, and then I'm going to go to the changing room. And from here, guys, I'm going to go to the pedal update and put on this top. We're going to make it black. For your information, this is from the VIP room. And wait, let me change the toggle. I'm going to remove the trailing ribbon. Okay, and you're going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to put on this top as well. Make it black. All right, and go to the cards item. And from the cards item, I'm going to put on this item. And then I'm going to change the toggle. We're going to make it tight jacket. And then we're going to make it black. And the last one, you're going to put on this ears. And just leave it like that. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Alright, and that's all the way to create Daniela from Katseye with this monster high outfit in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!